In this video, I'm going to show you how to use an Amazon Fire Stick with this projector. As you can see, this projector has a USB port and an HDMI port. The Amazon Fire Stick has a HDMI port, so that's where it goes. If you plug that in and you find that it's not working straight away, it's because the Amazon Fire Stick needs power. So a USB power supply is needed for the Amazon Fire Stick. On my other projectors, I can use the USB drive on the projector itself to power the Amazon Fire Stick. But as you can see, there's not enough space to do that here because once you've plugged in the Amazon Fire Stick, it kind of like intrudes on that USB drive. One way around that, by the way, this is a hack, is to get a HDMI extender. So you can plug the HDMI extender cable in here and then plug the cable in there, which then gives you the space to use that USB port to power the HDMI Amazon Fire Stick. However, the alternative, of course, is to power it separately. So here is a USB cable that I've got connected to a USB power supply. Any USB power supply is fine, of course. And once you plug it into the Amazon stick, then you can basically start using Amazon Fire. Let me just turn off the light so we get a better view. So now with the Fire Stick connected, you just give it a few seconds for it to start to power up. If you just go to the HDMI, first of all, it'll tell you no signal, and then it give you your Amazon interface, okay? So once you've done that, you can actually switch over from the projector's remote control to the Fire Stick's remote control. And that works just as well. Both remote controls actually work, which is the beautiful part of this. But I'd rather use the Fire Stick remote once the Fire Stick is in because it gives you more flexibility. Hope that helps. Enjoy your projector.